Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to use the new built-in timer feature in Microsoft Teams meeting. Open Microsoft Teams, start or join a meeting. On the meeting toolbar, click on More Options. From the menu, select Timer. Now choose how long you want the timer to run. The countdown will start and it is visible to everyone in the meeting. When the timer ends, Teams will notify all participants. And that's how you use the new timer feature in Microsoft Teams meeting. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.